Lucy, and I'm going to tell you all the things that I like about this calendar. I like the dog, and I wrote my name. And the clock tells me time, and this is how much it is. And it is that kind. And these are the seasons. Pretty much, no, it's not the season. Holidays and what's the seasons?
Where are the seasons? Is that the weather?
And these are the weather, and this is seasons.
They're the seasons. Can you pick them up and put them down on there?
Pick one up. Well, we need one more one.
It looks like they're magnetic, right? Oh, they are. Okay. Oh, what are these?
This is how I feel. And this is how I feel, and this is how another girl feels.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
She's here with me. And and my favorite thing is the whole thing.
Yeah. How many stars would you give this?
5.
Okay. Fantastic. That's a fantastic review. My daily calendar. Awesome.